Well, tonight, Georgetown City Council will discuss the possibility of creating a plan to improve flood-prone areas in hopes of reducing damage to property and infrastructure.
That's right. News 2's Delilah James spoke to city officials and residents on how this potential ordinance could improve the community.
Right now, I'm standing at an intersection between Sims and Palm Street in Georgetown, which are two areas residents say experience severe flooding during heavy rainfall. But that could soon change if city officials pass a new ordinance.
Tonight, council members will have the first reading on the potential new ordinance that would make it illegal to drive faster than 5 miles per hour through streets flooded with more than 6 inches of water.
But we're on hurricane season, and we know that every year the potential for severe flooding can exist. What we're doing is council is being proactive, and that's what it means, just looking out for the residents within our city.
Similar ordinances have been passed in other low-country municipalities, like the city of Charleston, to prevent the damage that results to nearby homes from the wakes made by cars.
Sometimes cars will try to come through, and they only makes it worse. It pushes the water more into the house. Yeah, so the barricade was down.
But some neighbors I spoke to feel the ordinance is just a Band-Aid, and the bigger focus should be addressing the underlying infrastructure issues.
He's blaming the state, and the state is blaming the city. And they closed out a lot of these ditches around here, but they don't have bigger pipes to handle the water flow. That's what the problem. Rerouting the cars is not going to stop the flooding or stop water from getting into our homes.
Again, the first hearing is tonight, and you can count on News 2 for more updates on the potential ordinance. Reporting in Georgetown, I'm Delilah James. Count on 2.